Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates from us. While elephants are fascinating creatures and much is known about them, there are still some aspects that researchers continue to study and learn more about. Here are a few areas where our understanding of elephants is still developing. Elephant communication. Elephants are known for their complex social structures and communication abilities. While we have made significant progress in understanding their vocalizations, infrasound, and body language, there is still more to uncover. Researchers are investigating subtle vocalizations, chemical signals, pheromones, and nonverbal communication cues to gain a deeper understanding of how elephants communicate with each other. Long-distance movements. Elephants are capable of remarkable long-distance movements, sometimes traversing hundreds of kilometers. However, the exact factors that influence their movement patterns, migration routes, and decision-making processes are still not fully understood. Researchers are studying factors such as resource availability, environmental cues, social dynamics, and memory to unravel the intricacies of elephant movement. Elephants' cognitive abilities. Elephants display impressive cognitive abilities, including problem-solving skills, self-recognition, and tool use. However, there is ongoing research to further explore the extent of their intelligence, memory capacity, emotional intelligence, and social cognition. Understanding these aspects can shed light on the richness of their mental lives. Elephants and conservation. While conservation efforts have made significant progress in protecting elephants and their habitats, there is still much to learn about their ecological role and the long-term impacts of conservation interventions. Research is ongoing to understand how elephants shape their ecosystems, their relationships with other species, and the best strategies for mitigating human-elephant conflicts. Aging and health. Elephants are known for their long lifespans, but there is ongoing research into the factors influencing their aging process and health. Investigating diseases that affect elephants, their reproductive patterns, and their susceptibility to various ailments can contribute to better conservation practices and veterinary care for both captive and wild populations. Social structure and behavior. While we have a good understanding of the basic social structure of elephants, which revolves around matriarchal groups led by older females, there is ongoing research to delve deeper into their complex social dynamics. Scientists are investigating the roles of individuals within the group, social learning, cultural transmission of knowledge, and the formation of alliances among males. Elephant senses. Elephants have highly developed senses, including hearing, smell, and touch. However, there is ongoing research to understand the nuances of their sensory perception. For example, studies are being conducted to determine how elephants use their incredible sense of smell and how they communicate through low-frequency sounds that can travel over long distances. Reproduction and breeding behavior. While we know that elephants have relatively long gestation periods and low reproductive rates, there are still aspects of their reproduction and breeding behavior that remain less understood. Researchers are studying factors such as mate choice, mating strategies, reproductive hormones, and the impact of environmental factors on their reproductive success. Elephant cognition and problem-solving. Elephants have demonstrated remarkable problem-solving abilities, such as using tools, understanding cause and effect relationships, and exhibiting self-awareness. However, ongoing research aims to further explore the cognitive capacities of elephants, including their problem-solving strategies, memory capabilities, and the extent of their understanding of their own bodies and the environment. Impact of human activities. Human activities, such as habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflicts, pose significant threats to elephant populations. Researchers are studying the impacts of these activities on elephant behavior, population dynamics, and their ecological role. Understanding these interactions can help develop effective conservation strategies and mitigate the negative effects of human influence on elephant populations. It's important to remember that scientific research is a continuous process, and our understanding of elephants will continue to evolve as new studies and discoveries are made. These ongoing investigations contribute to our broader knowledge and help inform conservation efforts to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. Elephant memory and cognitive maps. Elephants are believed to have excellent long-term memory, which allows them to remember important locations, water sources, and migration routes. Researchers are studying how elephants form and utilize cognitive maps to navigate their surroundings over large distances. Understanding their spatial memory and navigation abilities can provide insights into their impressive ability to find resources in their environment. Elephant sleep patterns. Elephants have distinct sleep patterns, characterized by brief periods of deep sleep interspersed with periods of wakefulness. However, the exact mechanisms and functions of their sleep patterns are still not fully understood. Researchers are investigating the reasons behind their unique sleep behaviors, such as the role of social dynamics, environmental factors, and the potential relationship between sleep patterns and cognitive functions. Elephant trunk dexterity. The elephant's trunk is an incredibly versatile and dexterous appendage that they use for various tasks, including feeding, drinking, social interactions, and communication. While scientists have made progress in understanding the biomechanics and sensory capabilities of the trunk, ongoing research aims to uncover the fine-scale motor control and coordination required for the trunk's precise movements and manipulation abilities. Impact of climate change. Climate change poses significant challenges to elephant populations and their habitats. Researchers are studying the effects of changing climate patterns on elephant behavior, migration patterns, food availability, water sources, and overall population dynamics. This research helps us understand how elephants are adapting to changing conditions and informs conservation strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change on their survival. Elephant physiology and biology. Despite extensive research on elephant physiology, there are still aspects that require further investigation. Scientists continue to study various physiological and biological aspects, such as thermoregulation mechanisms, immune system functioning, reproductive biology, and the unique adaptations that allow elephants to thrive in diverse habitats.